Hello all, this is Roche Bias and I'll be teaching you about ecosystems. So you may be wondering, what is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a community of living and non-living things that interact with each other in a specific environment. It is an outdoor environment and can be large or small. What are living and non-living things? Living things grow, take in nutrients, and reproduce. Examples of living things are plants, animals, trees, insects, and bacteria. Non-living things are not alive. They do not possess life. They do not have cells and do not grow. Examples of non-living things are air, water, sunlight, soil, rocks, and weather. There are 6 types of ecosystems. There's a tropical rainforest, the desert, temperate deciduous forest, taiga, tundra, and grassland. So the next slide, we're going to be taking a deep dive between temperate deciduous forest, the tropical rainforest, and the desert. A temperate deciduous forest is an ecosystem that is dominated by trees that lose their leaves throughout the colder temperatures. They experience all 4 seasons. It receives more than 20 inches of rain a year. It is home to many plants and animals, and also many reptiles like frogs, snakes, and toads. The tropical rainforest. The tropical rainforest ecosystem occurs in areas of tropical rainforest climate in which there is no dry season. Most people are familiar with hot tropical rainforests filled with trees that stay green year-round. They received around 70 inches of rain a year. Palms are the most common tree of the rainforest. They consist of many animal species like monkeys, parrots, elephants, leopards, and lions. The desert ecosystem. A desert is an ecosystem that is very dry and that gets hardly any rain. During the day, the desert can be extremely hot and the nights can be very cool or even cold. Animals like camels, foxes, jackals, owls, hyenas, wild goats, and sheep are found in deserts. So for our project, we'll be creating our own ecosystem in a jar. Here are some of the materials you may need. A mason jar, rocks or gravel, soil, moss, plants, leaves and branches, and your favorite animal figurine. Step 1. Add your rocks. Adding rocks to your jar creates the base and adds texture and depth to the ecosystem. Step 2. Adding soil. Soil is an ecosystem's life support system. Soil anchors roots, holds water, and stores nutrients. Step 3. Adding moss. Moss adds a year round of greens and beauty. It battles erosion and stabilizes plant ecosystems. It repels insects that may harm plants and help break down of organic matter. Step 4. Inserting our plant. Plants are considered critical resources because of the many ways they support life on Earth. Plants are very vital to our ecosystem as they maintain and showcase the overall health of an ecosystem. For step 5, you can add your animal. Animals play an essential role in maintaining healthy environments and formation of the ecosystems that they live in. Here's the final project. Here's our mini ecosystem in a jar, and I really hope you enjoyed our ecosystem project. Thank you all.